welcome in this new video tutorial. This time I bought this power bank and this great feature can give electricity to notebook and to the Raspberry Pi 4. You can see that is only working with this power bank and work very nice. And this is the output. I just touched two cables, as you can see. Is the alimentation from the power bench, and I have here the output for HDMI, and it works very good. You can see that I don't have any, and I have connected also a little small USB keyboard and the mouse together. I paid 10 euros, which I will give the link. So practically I can use this wonderful Raspberry, and it works with all with Netflix, Prime Video and 4Key, and works very nice. And I'm using this power bank, so no electricity, and this power bank can I think can keep the Raspberry for around 3-4 hours. And now I am only for LED. You can see just arrived today, but it's really a nice tool, because you can with USB-C you can give a power supply to Raspberry, or also to this is the Chewy. You can see the small notebook is the Chewy, and you can see I don't have any problem, so I can transform in a kind of notebook this Raspberry. My intention is to buy a small HDMI monitor together with and or to connect to VLC also. Just simply you can use a phone to with VLC you can connect, and you can take the output video also using the phone. So it's another solution, but I like more to buy a kind of so this practically, as you can see, is the outputs. Let's see if are some problem, so something with no rights, because YouTube doesn't allow, as you know. So I shall try for key. I'm using this keyboard, this is wireless, and with a small battery I can keep also 3-4 months. And let's try a video. And I'm connected with Alexa Echo Show, and this is Ultra HD, and let's see how it works. If some problem with the power bench by IC works as with the normal power supply, I don't see any difference. So here we go. This is, you can see the music comes from Alexa Show, and this is the video. And this given the power supply from this is incredible. I'm using the Raspberry, you can see, as power supply. So the Raspberry can become a kind of notebook. With some, the only stuff that now is missing is a kind of output portable, but in Amazon you can find a really good. I pause it now, press on the space bar, and you can find a really nice HDMI that I don't like. I have many tablets that I wanted to use as output for the screen, but is not allowed to use it as output. They don't give it this possibility, for sure. It's a pity. It's really a pity. So my next step is to try, as I said, to use VNC to try to use something to take the output. is not, of course, the same as an original source, but in Amazon you can find something like this, something HDMI Raspberry, and probably I'm going to order just for fun. Of course, let's see, Raspberry screen. There are many. I think there are 5-inch. You can see this is 5 inches, around €50. It's also touch. It's also touch, and around €44. This 5-inch kind of mobile. And also for 10-inch, but €150 I think is really too much. Depends, of course, because Raspberry, honestly, I have other computer, and if you have only Raspberry, can have sense to invest buying this monitor, but more just for fun. I was thinking like the resolution is only 800 for 60, this 600. I think it's a few limited. There are also for €35, and this is around 7-inch and 60, and the resolution is enough good, €66. And in the meanwhile, let's see if is the power bench is still 4. I think it's incredible, and it's good that I can use kind of notable. So I shall give the link to buy this wonderful power bench, because it's really good. The supply for notebook and also for Raspberry. So other power bands, they don't have this feature, but this is a great power bench, around €40, and I'm happy and glad to invest such price when you have such a result. So I shall give the link. So thanks for watching, and we shall see to the next video.